Okay, in this video we're going to do coding challenge 5.7. It's called buy and sell stock twice. It's similar to the exercise buy and sell stock with a twist. So we're giving an array of stock prices, and let's have another one, 3. Okay, and here we see that if we buy and sell at these prices, we have a profit. So 5 minus 2 is 3, plus next profit, it's actually this one, right? 7 minus 1 is 6, so our profit is 9. This is our best profit. Okay, so how we could solve this is just have two additional arrays. So let's have left profit, which we go over it, and we go from left to right. So here we can have let's have a variable buy, right? It can be initialized to 2, and we can say, okay, cool, 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, so our profit is 0. Can move forward, so 5. If we sell at 5 but we bought it at 2, our profit would be 3, right? And of course, 2 can be updated, which is still 2. Next one. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. We look at the last profit. Is it bigger? It's not, so it's still 3. And go forward, and we of course look at the price. It can be updated to 1 because it's the lowest stock price, right? So to maximize profit, we buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest price, right? Okay, so we're here now. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 is bigger than this guy, so our profit is here, 6 and 6. Cool. So these are our left profits. So now let's have right profits. We'll have an array and we'll be going through right and left. Okay, so we have sell variable. It can be initialized to the same numbers here, so 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, cool. Next one. So if we buy 7, and so sell minus buy, it's 0 is still bigger than this guy. Okay, cool. We update the sell to 7. Now we can buy at 1 and sell at 6, so profit will be 6. Okay. Now 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. It's 2 bigger than this guy is not, so let's have the same guy here, and then 2. For the buy, it's 5. It's still 6. Cool. And now the last part. What we need to do, we need to go over. Oops. Oh, jeez. And now what we'll do is just go over each index and calculate the best profit. So let's have a variable best profit. And what we'll do is just go over each index and calculate best profit. So let's initialize it to 0, and now let's just go over it. So here it's 6, right? 6. next index it's 9, and so on. And we return best profit back. So this is one way of solving this. Let's talk about cyclomatic complexity. So for runtime, this solution is linear, so O of n. We're going multiple times through an array, but it's still O of n. And for space, we are creating additional arrays, so it's also linear. Cool. Yeah, let's just implement this in code and see how it goes. So the first thing we said, let's have a left profits array, best by, okay, because we will set by to prices first value, we need to have a guard here. So if not prices, so if array is empty, we just return this guy here. Okay, so now we have prices and we go for prices, and let's just profit initialize to 0. So is current price minus buy is the candidate. We update profit, which is max between profit and left pointer, we append this profit. We also need to update buy with minimum price, so between buy and the current price. Okay. Cool, looks good. Now, the second part, we have write profit, which is also an array. We have sell, which is just the last value, and then profit, it's also 0.0. Cool. For we're reversing prices, and now the candidate is so sell minus current price, and profit is actually the one here. So profit is between profit and candidate, and we need to update sell, which is maximum value to the current sell, well, sell on, and the current stock price. Okay, cool. Once we're done with this, we need, of course, to reverse the right pointers. And then finally, we can just iterate over each index, and candidate here will be so prices or so left price I plus right price I, and max between best profit and current candidates, and then we can just return best profit, right? Okay, so what's the problem here? Least index out of range. Okay. So we have guard clause here. If raise empty, we just return. In this part, we're okay. We have left pointer, cool. So then we have right pointer, we have sell, we have profit. Oh, we're actually not depending anything. Okay, right profit. Yeah, this was the problem. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, cool. Solve this. I'm not going to cut out this so that you see that, yeah, there are problems and we can solve it. So that's it for this coding challenge, and see you next time. Bye.